Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Kusuma Telugu Vlogs. Today, we are diving into a topic that, unfortunately, affects many people: layoffs. But not all layoffs are created equal. There are different types, each with its own set of implications. So, let's break down temporary, permanent, voluntary, and mass layoffs. First, let's talk about temporary layoffs. These are often called furloughs. Imagine a company facing a short-term dip in business. They might temporarily reduce their workforce with the intention of bringing employees back when things improve. The key here is the temporary nature. The company hopes this is a short-term measure. Employees might be placed on unpaid leave or have their hours reduced. This is common in industries like hospitality or construction, where business fluctuates seasonally or due to economic conditions. Now, permanent layoffs are a different beast entirely. This means the job is gone permanently. The company has no plans to bring the employee back. This can happen due to restructuring, downsizing, or a complete closure of a department or the whole company. This is the most distressing type of layoff because it signals a long-term change. The implications for employees are significant, requiring them to immediately seek new employment. Next, we have voluntary layoffs. This is where employees choose to leave. Companies often offer incentives, like severance packages or early retirement options, to encourage employees to resign. This is a way for companies to reduce their workforce without the negative impact of forced layoffs. The benefit for employees is that they get to make the decision themselves and often receive a financial cushion. However, careful consideration is vital. Is the package worth it? Is finding new employment realistic? Finally, we have mass layoffs. These involve a large number of employees being let go at once. This is often due to major restructuring, mergers, acquisitions, or severe economic downturns. Mass layoffs can have a devastating impact on communities and the economy as a whole. They often grab headlines and create a sense of widespread uncertainty. So, to recap: temporary layoffs, short-term, with the hope of recall. Permanent layoffs, job elimination, no recall. Voluntary layoffs, employee-initiated, with incentives. Mass layoffs, large-scale, impacting many. Understanding these distinctions is crucial. If you're facing a layoff, knowing the type can help you understand your rights, your options, and how to plan your next steps. Remember to research your rights, including severance pay, unemployment benefits, and any company policies related to layoffs. There are also many resources available to help you navigate this challenging time. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And let us know in the comments if you have any questions. We're here to help.